Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your 12-digit Aadhar, the mobile number you want to link, and access to the number currently on record if available. Once ready, open the UID or your mobile operator's verified portal. Choose the Aadhar linking or update option. Enter your Aadhar number carefully and select the option to request an OTP. This step prevents fraud, so make sure the number you enter is correct. Then request the OTP to move to verification. Once you receive the OTP, type it exactly as shown and submit. If the portal prompts for biometric or eKYC verification, follow the on-screen instructions. Use a biometric device or visit an authorized center if required. Next, enter the new mobile number you want linked and double-check digits to avoid rejection. After confirming the new number, submit the request. You'll often get a reference number. Make a note of it. This helps track progress and is useful if you need to follow up. To finish, wait for the confirmation SMS or email saying your mobile has been linked. This may take a few hours or up to 72 hours. If you don't get a confirmation, use the reference ID to check status on the portal and make sure the SMS came from the official sender. If OTPs fail repeatedly, try again after a short interval, restart your device, and contact the operator or UID helpline. If online methods keep failing, visit an Aadhar center for an in-person update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.